Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. Let's make another potato dish. Today, I'm making salted potatoes. This is another dish that's perfect for holiday meals, and as you can see, it involves very few ingredients. I have 3 pounds of very well washed baby potatoes. We'll also need 3 cups, you did hear that correctly, 3 cups of salt, along with about 2 teaspoons of toasted cumin seeds. This all gets cooked on top of the stove with about 5 minutes of rest time at the end to allow the salt to crystallize on the potato skins. Let's get started. We start these salted potatoes by bringing 2 quarts of water to a boil in your largest pot. Let's give these salted potatoes a taste, and I love the color of the salt on here. Okay. You'd think they're gonna be too salty, but they are just right. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.